Welcome student. Today we will do 30 high order thinking MCQs for class 8 curiosity chapter 2 the invisible living world beyond our naked eye. For your better understanding we have also provided answer explanation. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Let's start. If the nucleus is removed from a living cell, what is most immediate functional consequences? And correct answer is C, growth regulation failure. Why plant cell maintain a firm rectangular shape while animal cell are more flexible? And correct answer is B, rigid cell wall. Which feature of neuron is specially adapted for long distance communication? And correct answer is D, long branched structure. A scientist observes a cell under a microscope and notes its lacked nuclear membrane. What is that organism? And correct answer is C, single bacterial cell. How does the porous nature of the cell membrane support the life of the cell? And correct answer is A, controls material exchange. What would be the most likely result of a plant cell losing its chloroplast? And correct answer is B, halted food production. In the levels of biological organization, what differentiate an organ from a tissue? And correct answer is C, organized different tissue. Why is the egg of a multicellular organism considered a single cell? And correct answer is A, start complex life. What enable muscle cell in the food pipe to push food toward the stomach? And correct answer is B, spindle shaped flexibility. Why are viruses excluded from the category of traditional cellular microorganism? And correct answer is C, they are acellular entities. What is the primary ecological disadvantages if all soil fungi and bacteria were destroyed? And correct answer is B, halted waste decomposition. Why do farmers especially use legume crops to improve soil quality? And correct answer is D. Host nitrogen fixing bacteria. In dough preparation, what biological process causes the mixture to rise and become fluffy? And correct answer is B. Microbial gas release. What make microalgae like spirula a critical resource for environment stability? And correct answer is C. Major oxygen supply. Why Ananda Mohan Chakraborty engineered bacterium considered a scientific breakthrough? And correct answer is A. Decomposed oil spill. What is the functional role of glycerin when preparing a microscopic slide of a cell? And correct answer is B. Prevents cell drying. How does a plant's large central vacuole contribute to its physical structure? And correct answer is C. Maintains cell shape. Why does curd become sourer when left at room temperature for a long duration? And correct answer is D. Increased lactic acid. What distinguishes the nucleide of a bacterium from the nucleus of an onion cell? And correct answer is A. No nuclear membrane. What is the relationship between cell shape and cellular function in human check cell? And correct answer is B. Flat for protection. Why is biogas considered a sustainable energy source derived from microbe? And correct answer is B. Uses decomposed waste. Which component is absent in fungal cell preventing them from being autotrophic? And correct answer is D. Green pigment chloroplast. What is the significance of the 130-170 mm diameter of an ostrich egg yolk? And correct answer is A. Largest single cell. In a pond water sample, how would you distinguish a protozoan from a microalgae? And correct answer is C. Absence of chlorophyll. Why is the Karmi mentioned in ancient Vedic text relevant to modern microbiology? And correct answer is B, concept of invisibility. If an organism is multicellular, what must be true about its cellular cooperation? And correct answer is D, work for survival. What scientific tool is required to see the subcellular component of a cell? And correct answer is C, electron microscope. Why does spirulina require stirring during its cultivation process? And correct answer is A, ensure even growth. What happened to the volume of dough when yeast is added with sugar and warm? And correct answer is D, increases and rise. Which part of the cell is the site where most life process occur? And correct answer is C, the cytoplasm. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.